Hey guys, good morning. We are going to Cars and Coffee Lake Charles today. We are continuing our Shriners toy drive. We have the Xterra, we have the trailer hooked up for the toys. It is raining a little bit. Chances are very high until about 7 a.m. and then get really low around 9. So we may end up having a late crowd, but as long as we have a crowd, even if people just bring a toy, it doesn't matter. So we're gonna get in the Xterra and get the show on the road. Well, we had a little accident. We had to wait in on the interstate this morning. Probably put us behind an hour getting here. But we made it to McAlisters in Lake Charles. But as you guessed it, it's raining, or did rain. It stopped raining now, but the damage is done. Water on the road, water in the streets. We do have a McLaren here. We have another McLaren on the way. It's kind of ironic that McLarens are going to be here and they're the only cars here. The guys with the Mustangs and the Corvettes were too scared to drive in the rain, but two McLarens show up. It's kind of funny. But I'll show you that when people get here, and we're gonna have a good time anyway. So McAlisters is one of my customers for work, so I'm actually going to clock in real quick and go do some work inside while I'm here. All right, we're gonna pack up and get on the road. I put my jacket on, got a little chilly after the rain. It didn't rain again after this morning, but it just looks horrible. Nobody really came out. Got a little bit of toys out of it, but yeah, could have been much bigger next time, right? There's always next time. So whatever you do, whatever you have, just get out there and drive it.